Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome today to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint very simple palm fronds design on this glass coffee cup. And I am only using actually 3 or 4 types of paint. One is going to be the bright green, the Daffodil Yellow, and these are multi-surface paints. And then I made my own thicket because I actually like the darker green, and I used Licorice and the brighter green to make that color, just so you know. Brushes I'm using are a flat brush. You can use any flat brush, and a liner brush. Again, I don't recommend that you run out and spend a lot of money on tools. Use what you have and go from there with it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take the fine liner, and if you watch my videos you know I love this fine liner, but I honestly don't even know where I got it from. But I'm just going to, dip it into the different colors. You can, kind of do that, or you can just dip it and go directly on the painting surface. So I'm just going to do one palm frond. And so I'm just making my little stem to paint the actual leaves on. Then I will be taking the flat brush, and I'm just going to be dipping it in randomly to get the colors, because I don't really want them to be well blended. I like them to actually have just a little variety to them. I like to kind of start towards the bottom of it, and I'm going to actually touch the stem and then paint out from there. Now you could put them out a little bit further if you wanted and then kind of draw a line to them. I don't like to do that. I think they should be actually attached to the stem. And I'm just pressing down and pulling and then lifting back up. Pressing down and pulling and lifting back up. And as I mentioned, I don't want the leaves to be the same as far as the colors go. I like them to have a variety. And you can actually overlap some of the petals too. As you go, you can put them closer, further apart. It doesn't really matter. However you feel comfortable and what look you're trying to go for. But very simple. Actually, I did a bedroom at my old house and painted these all over the wall. I had 2 different kinds that I was painting, and it was just very pretty. And then I got mosquito netting and made a curtain out of it for my bedroom, or for my office actually. But I could do like another palm frond that comes out this direction. Again, just very simple. If you feel like you want to go back through the actual stem, feel free to do so. Maybe you feel like you painted over it too much, that's fine. You can do it like that. Again, you can make your leaves going in, kind of whimsical, where they're kind of overlapping, or maybe pulling in different directions. Maybe the wind's blowing them. Who knows? Again, quick and simple. Anybody can do this. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Put any comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this if you will. And I will be playing just a light sound bath in the background, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Until the next time, you have a good one.